All right, great to see you again. So, in this lesson, we're talking about how AI generates text. AI models like GPT-4 analyze vast amounts of text to generate human-like responses. They predict words based on patterns but lack true consciousness or intent. Understanding this limitation helps writers use AI more effectively. AI-generated text relies on statistical probability rather than true cognition. When an AI tool generates text, it doesn't think the way a human does. It predicts the next most likely word based on the vast data set it has been trained on. These data sets are composed of books, articles, scripts, and various forms of text from the internet, allowing AI to mimic different styles, genres, and tones. The mechanics of AI text generation. AI functions using a system called a neural network, modeled after the human brain's neural pathways. More specifically, large language models, LLMs, like GPT-4, are based on a deep learning technique called transformers, which allow AI to process vast amounts of text and generate coherent, contextually relevant sentences. When you input a prompt, the AI doesn't write from experience or emotion but calculates the probability of what the next word should be. For example, if you type, "It was a dark and stormy," the AI knows that night is the most statistically probable next word because it has encountered that phrase frequently in its training data. Strengths of AI generated text. 1. Speed and efficiency. AI can generate thousands of words within seconds. Really amazing, thousands. Offering multiple versions of the same scene or passage. 2. Endless creativity. AI does not suffer from writer's block and can produce countless variations of dialogue, descriptions, and plot ideas. 3. Adaptive writing styles. AI can imitate different writing voices, from classic literature to modern thrillers. 4. Instant research capabilities. AI can summarize historical periods, mythologies, or scientific principles, reducing time spent on research. Limitations of AI in fiction writing. 1. Lack of emotional depth. AI does not have lived experiences, making its text sometimes feel detached or lacking genuine human emotion. 2. Contextual errors. AI can occasionally misinterpret prompts, resulting in irrelevant or illogical content. That happens very rarely. 3. Repetitive phrasing. AI can often fall into patterns, repeating phrases, or generating formulaic text. That happens quite often. 4. Ethical concerns. AI generated content can sometimes unintentionally borrow from copyrighted works or mimic real authors' styles too closely. How writers can use AI text effectively? Since AI generated text is probabilistic rather than truly creative, writers must refine and guide AI outputs. Here are some strategies to make AI work for you. 1. Use AI as a first draft generator instead of starting from scratch. Let AI draft a scene, then rewrite and refine it. 2. Combine AI ideas with your own. AI can suggest plot twists or alternative endings, but the writer decides what fits best. 3. Edit for authenticity. Always edit AI-generated text to ensure it aligns with your narrative voice and emotional depth. 4. Fact-check AI outputs. AI can sometimes hallucinate false facts or misrepresent information. AI and the future of fiction writing. As AI technology continues to evolve, its role in fiction writing will become even more integrated. Future AI models may be able to analyze reader preferences, suggest story arcs tailored to market trends, or even co-write entire books with authors. That's great, isn't it? However, the human touch, intuition, lived experience, and deep emotional understanding will always remain essential in storytelling. By learning how AI generates text and using it wisely, writers can unlock new creative possibilities while ensuring that their stories remain uniquely human.